That's not the jack. Alright, broke into a garage, and I got a tool that's acting like it's getting broke over here. Little impromptu video. What I'm going to show you is my dart all of a sudden is getting some odd and disturbing noises in the front end. Now I know that they were doing road construction and they got some asphalt down there, and I think I might have picked up some stuff, but let's just kind of over in there. It sounded bad. I'll move you over there. Got the dryer going and kill it. Okay. So it's coming from over here. The squeak and the crunch noise. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it gets pretty bad in the car. So I'm going to just check it out and make sure that I don't have any rocks in there, or if there's a bushing or something, I'll know on that. Okay, I want to go over something on the 2016 dart, or all the darts for that matter, that have that goofy lug stud on there. If you had one for very long, you know that the thing swells up, and I was having issues with it. Couldn't get the socket on there. I had to beat the socket on because it's swelled up to an in-between size. So my solution was I got the Gorilla key, the wheel lock keys, which is a one-piece stainless steel, and I got it from Modern Performance. Right there. I paid $55.99 for it. Oh, I still have this receipt. So shipping, it was like 64 bucks for shipping. So those are way better. They come with, they're kind of like a lock stud too, because they come with a little special key here that goes on it. So I'll recommend updating your dart to that. I want to show, I don't know if we can see, probably not, but all this asphalt, the new asphalt, it's all the asphalt's packing into my tire. So I think some of this stuff has got into my suspension somewhere. So that's what I'm doing with all this. That's it. I don't really hear anything. Okay. Gonna put this back together. I didn't see any real issues other than my that rear with the front. A lot of descriptions here. The front driver lower control arm, the rear bushing on it, with just a rubber piece, was looking aged. So same thing. Did a little NOCs on these. You don't want these things getting stuck in there. There we go. Okay. So anyways, just run it on in. A little bit crunched on this side because it's the wall side. But I heard it pop when I was doing the test here, so I'll listen for it. Sounded back in there somewhere. Eureka! Okay, do 5 things at once. So if we look, gotta get my head in here. Right there. See that little dark spot on the top of my arm? I would mount the flashlight, but there's nothing but plastic in here. Try this number. There's a rock right there. A big rock right there. I bet that has something to do with my scraping noise. Okay, so this is what was wedged up in there. Okay, I think I can show you here. So I got the little tip of the awl thing. You can see it wiggling right there. I just shoved it up in there, right, and punched that out.